Lantern swinging, tea gone cold, char pins rattling, hands not folding. Storm chewing on the mast outside, rain claws at the glass like a wild-eyed bride. Ink runs rivers across this page, ship keeps talking in a tired old age. Boots spread wide on the warp deck boards, pipe smoke curling like a whispered war. Rum in the bottle, names in my head. Some boys sleeping, some boys dead. In the captain's cabin, the world leans hard. Distant thunder counts each scar cannon. In the dark like a broken drum, hear their far-off shanty hum. Hold his line till the morning comes. Map nails tremble with a low dull roar. Every boom pain's ghost on the cabin door. Tin cups skidding in a nervous ring. Steel thoughts sharpened on a fraying string. Old dog tags on a nail by the bed. Swing back, swing forward like the words unsaid. Cruise song drifting through the playing guitar. Soft as a mother, rough as a bar. In the captain's cabin, the world leans hard. Distant thunder counts each scar cannon. In the dark like a broken drum, hear that far-off shanty hum. Hold this line till the morning comes. Voices in the belly of the ship sing slow, call and answer, rise and fall below. I hum along, but I keep it tight. My duties ink their prayers at night. Storm may chew through rope and rail, thunder breaking a bowing wail, but that ragged chorus under my feet keeps this tired heart from a quiet retreat. In the captain's cabin, the world leans hard. Distant thunder counts each star